decided to go ahead and vlog my showings and just everything real estate. I am a real estate broker here in Indiana, and so I just wanted to bring you guys along with me as I go and do showings for my clients, and I put in these agreements, contracts, different things. I just want to bring you guys along. Sometimes, and right now I'm like driving now to go to a showing. It was about 34 minutes from me, so I was just like, let me just vlog what's going on right now. So I'm headed to a showing. Just everything real estate. Like, I'm excited to be in real estate. I'm excited to help people to get into their first home. I'm excited to help people get into their second, third home, rental properties, their investment properties. I'm excited to list homes if you're looking to sell your home. I'm just excited. I'm really excited. This is my passion. This is my dream. This is what I really love to do. Like,
use the second lane from right to take exit 4 onto Indiana Route 37 South and Harding Street.
Like, this is something like I'm not going to get tired of. Like, I mean, some days, of course, I'm like tired, but for the most part, I'm excited about this, and I'm very passionate about this. So I just wanted to
then turn left onto South Harding Street toward Martinsville.
I just wanted to just take this time to just bring you guys on my journey. I think I've viewed so many homes.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto South Harding Street.
I've viewed so many homes already, but from now on,
Turn left.
From now on, I will bring you guys on my journey. It's really fun, you guys. It's really, really fun. Just showing homes and allowing people to see the beauty, especially in Indiana, because a lot of people feel like Indiana is like a horrible state to be in. Well, really, we have some beautiful homes here. The market is great here. That's why a lot of people from like Florida or California, Canada, people from outside of the country, they really they come here to invest. They come here to invest because they know Indiana, the market is good here. Well, I mean, right now the market is kind of bad for everybody, but
stay in the right 2 lanes.
But the market is really good for people to get investment properties, rental properties.
In 2.4 miles, turn left onto West Southport Road.
It's good to flip homes, all of that. It's really good. Maybe people be sleeping on Indiana. If you don't know what sleeping on something means, it just means like you think little of it when you shouldn't think little of that. But I'm almost there. My GPS keeps interrupting me. That's why I keep pausing. So let me get to my destination, you guys, and I will show you the home. I will show you guys the home
in 2 miles, turn left onto West Southport Road.
I will show you guys the home that I am about to go show my clients. Okay, guys, so this is the home. walk-in closet. Oh, look. Okay, it doesn't have a fence. If my client wants a fence, but I think she'll settle. So it's right by the lake. Oh, okay. Oh, this is beautiful. The view of this home is very pretty. Okay, guys, so this is the neighborhood that we are going to. Very nice neighborhood. I actually like it, and I really love the house that we just went and seen. It's beautiful. I believe this
At the stop sign, turn right onto Estuary Drive.
I believe this is Perry Township. So if you're from Indiana, you should know. That home is beautiful. These homes are beautiful.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
Alright guys, so I'm done with that viewing. I'm sorry if I sound stuffed up for some reason. Got a cold or whatever. If you live in the Midwest, then you can understand when it goes from 75 one day and then it goes down to 50 the next day. So I have a little cold, so I sound horrible and I hate it. But I just got done with the viewing. I loved the home. To the point where I told my client, I said, honey, I'm about to list my home and try to buy this house. It was really nice. I really love that home. So but yeah, so she wants to put an offer in. I'm going to go negotiate a few things with her so we can try to, you know, win this deal and put the purchase agreement in. And then we'll go from there to see if we will get it or not. I think the market right now is horrible. The market is horrible. It's like the house is going to market and that same day it's going off the market. I already accepted an offer. And they're accepting $40,000-$50,000 over asking price for most of these homes. So, when I say this, that it's horrible, it is. Well, I mean, for sellers, it's terrific. It's great because people are really going in, buying the home for higher amounts. For borrowers that may not have that much money to just give, it's a little difficult. Or for buyers that they don't have a large down payment or a a lot for closing costs, because nowadays people are even asking for the I just got a message, I'm sorry. Nowadays people are asking for the buyers to just pay everything, all the closing costs, which normally you would either split it or you would ask the seller to pay for that. So it's a tough market. I'll probably do a video about the market, how crazy it is. I'll probably do it when I sound better, because I probably sound stuffed and I probably sound retarded. I probably sound like I have a lisp. But I don't, y'all. And I'm not retarded. I just, excuse me, I don't want to say I'm not retarded. I'm not. Okay, hold on. Because I need to see where the hell to go. Oh, I'm in the right lane. But, yeah. But yeah, guys, everybody want to either text or call me right now while I'm trying to do this video. But, so yes, I'll do videos of different things. The way the market is, about what to offer on these homes, different things like that. It'll be entertaining, interesting, different things like that. I'm excited. I'm excited to be back. I'm excited for you guys to be on this journey with me. And until next time, I will see you on the next video.